want to create a recycle bin for my snapshot. If I delete it by mistake, I want that volume or snapshot to be available on my recycle bin. For that, you have to click on lifecycle manager. Either you can click here and click on, let me delete old policies, action, not required as of now, so default one, disabled already, no problem. Let's create a lifecycle policy. I can click on lifecycle policies. I can create either custom policy or default policy. For what is it? For EBS snapshot or EBS volume. Click on next. Here we can give the setting for lifecycle policy. This is actually for backup. Now for your recycle bin, you have to go back to your snapshots. Click on this. Click on recycle bin. Here it is. This will open an entirely new page. On left hand side, click on resources. As of now, I am having lot of got created. I can recover also. I can click on retention rule to check any rules created or not. Okay. Let me remove the old one before creating a new one. So now I have removed everything. Let's click on create retention rule. Now I'm going to create a name. Let's give snapshot bin. I want to create recycle bin for EBS snapshots. You can avoid this by clicking on apply to all resources. Retention period only 1 day, and then simply click on create retention rule. That's it. Now you can see retention rules getting created. I click on resources. I type Feb 18. I don't see anything on Feb 18. Let's go back to our volumes, snapshots, and delete a snapshot. Click on this, delete snapshot, delete it. Now once it a snapshot, I go back to my retention rule, I refresh everything, I go back to resources, I refresh everything. Now my snapshot should trigger or will trigger a new recycle. That snapshot will come into my recycle bin basically. Again I search for Feb 18. Here you can see, right, network Rhinos snapshot were created. Now I can even recover from it here. So it's very simple to create a recycle bin for the snapshots.